You ever go out, you do your errands, you go to the store, you get some new clothes, then you decide to stop by the game store and be like, hey, I wonder what they have in stock today. Well, this is what they had in stock today. The Super Famicom Mini. Let's get that in focus there really quick. Aw, yeah, let's take this bad boy out of the box and see what's underneath the hood. Or I guess, in the box. There you go. There's the box. Now let's take the stuff out of the box. I'm not so good at these unboxing videos, alright? Am I? There's the lip. Ooh, what's in the box? What's in the box? Oop, I fell out. There we go. Take out this film really quick in. There you go. A Super Famicom. Ready to roll. Also on the hood, we got a controller, 2 controllers. They feel exactly like the Super Famicom controllers. Another controller. USB cable. And an HDMI cable. Just for the sake of comparison, this is what the Super Famicom Mini looks like too. The Famicom Mini. And this is an actual Super Famicom. What a perfect family, right? I just need an actual Famicom. I have the AV Famicom, as you saw last year, or earlier this year actually. But I need an actual Famicom. I want an actual Famicom. And the American Nintendo Mini and the American Super Famicom. Anyway, done with the comparisons. Let's go actually play some video games. Alright, got the Super Famicom going on. What to play? What to play? Guess we'll play some Star Fox. We're just gonna go straight in there. Don't need no training. Go there. I always read Corneria as Corneria, like, I know it's not an actual thing, but yeah. Oh man, good old Star Fox and its early polygon graphics. You gotta love it. You know, this game's actually pretty cool. I never grew up with the Super Famicom. I grew up with the Sega Genesis, so I didn't have access to this game. Oh, that's a bomb. Barely. See, you can spend like like $300 to get all these games on the cartridge. No, you just spend the $80 to get 20 games or 21 games all on one thing. It's a value package. Ow. Not very good at this game though. Oh, fuck me. What should we try? Well, I'm a big fan of puzzle games, so let's try a puzzle game. Pound it on. Action puzzle game. Let's try level 5 and we'll go normal. I like the blue haired girl, so we'll play her. Combo. I'm not good at this game, but I like puzzle games though. I fucked up. Practice a lot game. I like loving this game so far. This one isn't on the American version. I believe this is actually Tetris Attack in North America. This one has Anime Girl, so it's automatically better. Ah, fuck, I fucked up. Alright, got a combo going on. Cool. So that, my friends, is the Super Famicom Mini. If it's like the normal Famicom Mini, that means it's a thumbs up for me. Anyway, I'm going to play this more. I'll try to get a full review of the thing soonish. In the meantime, there's more games to be played. Like Super Mario Kart. Yeah, boy! Fucking best! Done. Screw this game.